Hey everybody, welcome back to another Urban Kinetic. We're in downtown Houston tonight and we're taking a walk through the Main Street area. Right now we're at Market Square Park. It's always a good starting point for just about anything. It's kind of a low-key smoky bar. Oh my goodness, what is this? Free Wi-Fi, cable TV, hourly rates. So smile while you're on camera, so are you. Whoa. All right, let's head over there. Angel Chair HTX Bar. Looks like it's somewhat happening there. Let's take a look. I could be wrong, but at least it's open Sunday night. This one's open. La Diabla. I did a nightlife vlog down here, but I didn't really show what it looks like inside of places. So let's go ahead and do that. This is the Little Dipper over here. Beer, wine, spirits. Cherry. It's pretty cool. 310 Main. Not sure what this one's called. Days. And the red line train comes right through here. Casa Blanca. It's kind of a low-key smoky bar. There's Clark's. And this place is more of a, everybody's sitting on regular furniture, it seems. And there's Dean's Credit Clothing, which I think is actually called Dean's now that I did some research. At 316 Main here. And that one is kind of a, I think it's what it was before. It's a low-key smoky bar. Oh my goodness, what is this? Huh. And then here's Soho Garden. Let's actually take a walk around there and take a look inside. That looks pretty cool actually. And this one is mixed drinks, free Wi-Fi, cable TV, hourly rates, holiday stay, pool, no vacancy. It looks like it's kind of like a hotel front, but inside it's actually something different. And here is Moxy. And that looks kind of like a, it says Bar Moxy, and there's like a check-in. All these are kind of set up like hotels. It's pretty interesting. You see all these bars and whatnot. You see the outside. Here's Off the Record. It's supposed to be like a listening bar. And I guess that's what they actually do is they listen to stuff in there. And there's Taste Kitchen and Bar, which is a very popular place pretty much every night of the week. So smile while you're on camera, so are you. And this is Interio Bar and Grill. And here's Jolie. This is more like a club vibe, but it's a bar, so it's kind of cool. And here's Shay McElroy's. See, it's nice to be down here doing this on Sunday night because you can actually kind of get away with pointing the camera inside of these places. VR. Oh, that was kind of cool. I think there's people in there actually. Oh, Velvet Rail. That's what it is. Looks like there's something going on there. Here's the Moonshiners Southern Table and Bar. That's usually pretty happening on the weekend, I know, meaning like Friday and Saturday. Time's up. It's kind of funny because the last time I did this, it was a lot more happening down here, but it's Sunday, what do you expect? Whoa. I'm pretty sure that there was something here before. One of the nightclubs or bars that looked pretty cool before, it looks like it's gone now. That's pretty scary. That's only been like 2 months ago. Actually, I think there's more than one that's gone. I want to say there's at least 2 or 3 that are gone now. Here's Fabian's Latin Flavors. This is kind of like a patio type place. Nice vibe. That's what it looks like on the smaller interior. Much smaller. Whoa. Let's check out this part of it. I think this is maybe the same place. Oh, that's the patio. Looks like this entire area is Fabian's Latin flavors. Got ballets over here. This place is pretty happening. Very cool. But it looks like that's it for Main Street nightlife on a Sunday night, but at least we got some deep dive looks. Anyway, thanks for joining me. Thanks for coming along on the walk. Don't forget to check out my Patreon if you'd like to support the channel that way. Don't forget to like and subscribe, but for now, we'll see you in the next one.